And in Mombasa, Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka is this afternoon expected to attend the annual Akamba Cultural Festival. Our reporter Tobias Chanji now joins us live for an update on the story. Now, Chanji, how is Kalonzo's diary looking like, and what should we expect coming days after he said he is the official opposition leader? Chanji.
A very good afternoon, Seto. Indeed, the Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka, with his entourage, are expected to be the chief guest at the annual Akamba Cultural Festivals, with preparations underway, and they're expected any time from now. Remember that Kalonzo, with the other leaders that included DAP leader Eugene Wamalwa and the embattled Jubilee Secretary General Jeremiah Kioni, arrived at the port city of Mombasa yesterday at around 3 p.m. for the 3 days tour in Mombasa. And after having a media briefing, they later on condoled with the family of philanthropist and the founder of Mombasa Cement, Hasu Patel. Then later in the evening at around 6, Kalonzo had joined vernacular TV and radio roundtable. And in all these, Kalonzo has insisted that he is now the official opposition leader, saying that after the ODM leader Raila Odinga was endorsed to join the AU Commission, there will never be any void, and that he has been endorsed by 23 political parties to be the opposition leader. They, at the same time, took a swipe at some of the ODM politicians, especially from the Nyanza region, for supporting the President William Ruto, even as they insisted that the Gen Z, or according to the protests that were witnessed a few months ago, most Kenyans do not have confidence with President William Ruto. After today, tomorrow, as he'll be winding up his 3-day tour in Mombasa, the Wiper leader, that is Kalonzo Musyoka, is also expected to attend Mass at Holy Ghost Cathedral in Mombasa. Then thereafter, he'll have the Meet the People tour in Changamwe. That's what we can report as of now, Aseto.
Thank you, Chanji, joining us from Mombasa County as it brings us up to